Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're at the Carolina Travel Channel. We're in Pollitt Mountain right now, and we come up here to check out a little sandwich shop called Munchies On Main.
Carolina Travel Channel, gonna come to your town, looking for the best food around. Gonna find me in the kitchen with a plate piled high, eating good until the day I die.
Well guys, we got some food. I think you got this, like 3 different types of, that's a good idea. Serve like a little 3 different types of sandwiches. That's a lot of food though. You gonna eat all that?
Not right now.
And I got a smaller version of the fatty. They said it was 18 inches long and big. I don't think I can get that down at the moment. I'm trying out their different types of deviled eggs. One's got bacon on it. One's got a jalapeno pepper on it. I don't know what that's got on it.
BLT.
BLT?
Yeah, that's what
Some chips. Now at the moment, they don't have seating inside other than just sitting waiting for your food. But they're working on it. We got the food, we in the bus, and we're gonna try it out. Now they don't have seating in there, so you really need it's to carry out is what it basically is right now, but I think they're working on, or they just got approved for a few seats in there to eat. Let's check them out. You want to? All right, here goes something. I'm gonna try one of these deviled eggs. Probably this one. I don't know which is which, so I guess it's D-N, right? That's a whole different spin on a deviled egg. And it's really good. That's the one. That's pretty daggone tasty. I'm glad we got some napkins. I got a feeling. How's your sandwich? Which one's that one, do you know?
It's in Saruba. And it's pretty good. They cooked, or whatever they done, they made crispy ones on some of them.
That's cool, on the meat when they cooked it.
Taste is pretty good.
Okay, let's go with the sandwich. Okay, it's on the hard bread on, see, like pita bread kinda. My God. I'm telling you folks, that's a sandwich. That's really good. All kinds of stuff on it. Pickles, cheese, ham, it's like mustard, and I don't know what else. That's good too.
And probably tater salad.
That's pretty good tater salad too. What all's in that thing? I don't know. Good stuff. Okay, here we go. Another deviled egg. BLT deviled egg. I'll tell you what, that bacon on there. Ugh. That's some killer food right there, folks. And it's right in downtown Pollitt Mountain. If I'm making y'all hungry, I'm really not sorry. If you want to get up here and check them out, because Munchies On Main is really good. Huh?
Try this sandwich. That is good.
It's like the Cuban, like Monique.